Today we're back with 5 more Amazon FBA deals which you could actually be selling, and as always we're saving the best one until the end, so make sure to stick around until then. Welcome back to the Profitl channel. As always, please hit that subscribe button. We post out Amazon FBA videos every Thursday for free, and we're here to teach you all about the wonderful world of Amazon FBA. So in today's video, as we do every single month, we show you 5 Amazon FBA deals which we sent into our Deal of the Day feature. If you don't know what our Deal of the Day is, this is a free feature we have in our Discord community for Profitl and DealFinder customers, where we send in deals every single day just to help give inspiration to our users so they can learn what they should be selling, learn new websites, and just to help them with their Amazon FBA journey. Now, quick disclaimer, we probably don't recommend to actually buy these products we're showing you today, just because they are being seen by a lot of people. We have over 5,000 members in our Discord. So as mentioned, best just to use them for inspiration, learn different websites, see what offers are on at the moment. And as long as you do that, you should be able to find some amazing FBA deals. And now alongside that, don't forget a lot of these products I'm showing you today, you're probably going to be gated in. This is normal when you first start selling on Amazon, and getting ungated isn't too difficult in different brands and categories, and we've done a few different videos about it. We'll link one just up here, but make sure to check that out at the end of this video if you do want to learn how to get ungated. But that's enough talking, let's get into some actual products. So up first, we have a product from the website Look Fantastic, and it's Manuka Honey Blend, which is currently discounted, so we can be buying this for £18.40. It's currently got £27.59 off at the moment. The one we're looking at is the 250 gram size, because over on Amazon this exact same size is selling for £46, so we can buy it for £18.40 and sell it for £46. Now let me run you through the data on the Chrome extension. So this listing is selling 145 times a month, but you'll notice there's different variations, so that is all of these different variations, so that's something to bear in mind. If you are looking at a listing, that's for all these variations. So to see how much each of these is actually selling, we'll just scroll down a little bit and we'll go to the variation sales, and we can see the 250 gram one, which we're interested in, is selling 33 times a month. So not too bad sales when you think there's only 2 other FBA sellers on this listing. Now the most amazing thing about this product was, check out this profit, £17.60, 96% return on investment. Now realistically there's a good chance this price will drop, so you're not going to earn that much profit, but when you've got a product which is a really high profit and it's still got the buy box, it just gives you a lot more flexibility if the price was to come down. Now on this listing, with these sales of 33 times a month and that profit of £17.60, it means this variation is making over £560 on Amazon every month. Now of course that's split between different sellers. We hope straight away that shows the power of selling on Amazon with just a product which you could buy from another website so easily. So let's move on to deal number 2, and this one is from the online supermarket Ocado, and the product is these dried peas. And you're probably thinking, who's buying dried peas on Amazon? Well, this is a slightly different one because it's what we call a multi-pack, so we can buy one of these for 75p, but as you'll see here on Amazon, a pack of 5 is selling for £9.83 at the moment. That means our unit cost is going to be £3.75, and we're selling for £9.83. So we just combine these into our pack of 5. We'll stick them all in one bag so they are this single unit, and then we'd send them in like that. Now the data on Profitl is showing 35 sales a month, 70% return on investment, £2.64 profit per unit, and only 3 other FBA sellers. So what does that mean for this listing's profit range? Well, sales of 35 a month, profit of £2.64. This is going to give us a potential monthly profit of over £90 every single month. Now before we get into our third deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers if you did want to join Profitl. If you don't know what Profitl is, we are a Amazon FBA software. We have a deal analyzer, which is a Chrome extension and a mobile app. We also have a DealFinder, we have a wholesale scanner, and as mentioned at the start of the video, an amazing Discord community full of like-minded people. So we'll make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off, so that's a 55% saving on yearly plans. You'll also find the discount codes down below in the description, so make sure to take them down if you did want to save some money on your Profitl subscription. Now onto our third deal, and this one is from Toys R Us, and you may think Toys R Us doesn't exist anymore, but it does. It's still got an online store, and this one is this model tank building set, so the Kobe Sherman, which is currently £9.99, so it's discounted, half price. And this is the thing about online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. Most of the products you're going to be buying are in the sale or discounted items. That is what makes them work for online arbitrage on Amazon FBA. So we're buying this one for £9.99. On Amazon, it's selling for £19.99. So let's load up the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. We can see sales are 33 times a month. There's only 2 other FBA sellers on the listing. Amazon are on this listing though, so just bear that in mind, which again is why we mean you may not want to sell this one. There's loads of products on Toys R Us's website just like this, but overall not a bad product. 40% return on investment, £4 profit per unit. So that means the profit range on this product would be over £131 every single month. So you'll see the profit is really starting to add up. So even if you don't have the buy box all the time, you can make great money with not investing a huge amount selling on Amazon. Now onto our 4th deal, and this deal is probably from our favorite website for online arbitrage, and that is Notino. If you don't know what Notino is a beauty website, and they have such a fantastic range of products. But not only this, they're always running discounts on their items. So this one here we've got is this Rimmel Lash Accelerator Mascara, discount code on at the moment, so there's 20% off, so we can buy this for £3.12. Let's head over to Amazon, where we can see it's selling for £6.45, and this has actually dropped a little bit in price, but it's still making a decent return on investment. So 61% return on investment, £1.89 profit per unit. We aim for 30% return on investment as a minimum with arbitrage. Typically you can aim for more than this. 30% is a good place to start. It means you're still making good profit, and it gives you wiggle room if the price does change. 5 other FBA sellers on this listing, and it's selling 35 times a month. And so what that means for our profit range is it making over £60 every single month on Amazon. Now onto our 5th and final deal, and maybe our favorite one. Let us know down below in the comments if you agree with us. But this product I'm going to be showing you is from Smith's Toy Store. I'm sure you're familiar with this one, but it's a great website for both online and retail arbitrage. And this one is this Pet Simulator Series Plush assortment, which we can buy for £5, another one in the sale. So let's head over to Amazon, where we can see this one is selling for £13.48. Now looking at all the data on Profitl, it's a decent seller. It's selling 98 times a month. 6 other FBA sellers on this listing, but it's making a really good profit per unit, £3.41 profit per unit. So that means the profit range is over £300 on this listing. So those 5 products which I've shown you today all have great potential for Amazon FBA. Between them, they're making over £1,200 profit every single month on Amazon. Now, as I always like to say with a disclaimer, it doesn't mean you're going to make that much profit. That is how much these listings are making as a whole. But these 5 products we've shown you today is one of many thousands of deals which we're sending to our customers every single month. So it just shows how many potential products are out there. Now this video isn't to make you think that finding deals like this is easy, because it is a skill which takes a lot of time to learn, but as long as you can stick at it, you can become very successful on Amazon. So we hope you found that video interesting. If you did take any value from it, please do hit that subscribe button, it really does help. But that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.